बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप व्यूअर्स? उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे। हमारी आज की वीडियो है जूही चावला के हवाले से। जूही चावला मेहता इज़ born on 13 November 1967 is an Indian actress. She established herself as one of the leading actors of Hindi cinema from the late 1980 through the early 2000. Recognized for her comic timing and vivacious on-screen persona, she is a recipient of several accolades, including 2 Filmfare Awards. As of 2025, she is the wealthiest Indian actress with a net worth of uh, 7 uh, 7 crore 790. Born 13 November 1967, Ambala, Haryana, India. Others name Juhi Chawla Mehta. Occupation actress. Years active 1984 to present. Spouse J. Mehta. Married 1995. Children 2. After winning the 1984 Miss India Beauty pageant, Chawla made her acting debut with a brief appearance in the Hindi film Sultanat 1986 and had her breakthrough role in the tragic romance film Kayamat Se Kayamat Tak 1988, which earned her the Filmfare Award for the Best Female Debut. The year 1993 was key in her career as she gained recognition for her starring roles in Lutere, Aina, Daad and Hum Hain Rahe Pyar Ke, winning the Filmfare Award for Best Actress for the latter. Most further success came in 1997 with Deewana, Mastana, Yes Boss and Ishq. In the following decade, Chawla began playing against type in art house projects, garnering critical acclaim for her performance in Jankar Peace 2003, Teen Devrania 2003, My Brother Nikhil 2005, I Am 2011, and Gulab Gang 2014. She also starred in several Punjabi films, including the biopics शहीद ओधम सिंह 2000, देश होया परदेश 2004, वारिस शाह, इश्क द वारिस 2006, and Sukh Money Hope for Life 2010. After her television work, she was talent judge on the third season of the dance reality show Jhalak Dikhla Jai 2009 and had supporting roles in the streaming series Hush Hush 2022 and The Railway Man 2023. Chawla has been married to industrial J. Mehta since 1995, with whom she has 2 children. Along with her husband and Shah Rukh Khan, she is a co-owner of the Indian Premier League cricket team Kolkata Knight Riders. Along with Khan, she co-founded the production company Dreams Unlimited, which produced 3 films, beginning with their self-starring Phir Bhi Dil Hai Hindustani 2000. Early life. Juhi Chawla was born in Ambala, Haryana on 13 November 1967. Her father was an officer of the Indian Revenue Service. She completed her schooling at Fort Convent School, Bombay, and graduated from Sandham College, Bombay. Chawla was the winner of the Miss India title in 1984. She also won the Best Costume Award at the Miss Universe contest in 1984. Career breakthrough 1986 to 1990. Chawla's debut role in Bollywood was a small part in the 1986 film Sultan. In 1987, she starred in Kannada Tamil bilingual film Premalaka, directed and produced by V. Ravi Chandran. The Kannada version turned out to be a major commercial success and proved to be a breakthrough film for the lead cast and technical crew. She got her first major Hindi cinema role in Kayamat Se Kayamat Tak in 1988, in which she shared with Amir Khan. The film, a modern day adaptation of Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet, was both a major critical and commercial success, with Khan and Chawla become overnight stars. It won the Filmfare Award for Best Film, and Chawla became the first actress to win the Filmfare Award for Lux New Face of the Year, also receiving her first nomination for the Best Actress. Chawla, pairing with Amir Khan and their on-screen chemistry, was often cited by the media as successful. The film has since attained a cult status, with the Times of India ranking it among the top 25 must-see Bollywood films, calling it one of the landmark films of Hindi cinema and crediting it with making Amir Khan and Juhi Chawla household names. Mankar Biswas of First Post wrote in retrospective review, Juhi Chawla, with her truancy, ghagra, and passive but assertive demeanor, was an early predecessor to the sexually liberated Bollywood heroines of today. She wrote that she wanted and initiated a relationship with the man she desired. The team Prem Oleka reunited in 1989 for the Kannada film Kindari Jogi and was declared a musical hit. In the same year, she debuted in Telugu cinema with the film VK Dada, co-starring Nagarjuna. Establishing actor 1990 to 1997. In 1990, she starred in Prati Bandh. She also received her second Best Actress nomination at Filmfare for the film. Her other releases that year included the family drama Swarg alongside Rajesh Khanna and Govinda, which marked the first of several collaborations with director David Dhawan. In 1991, she collaborated third time with actor-director V. Ravi Chandran for his multilingual directorial Shanti Karnati. The film, made with an expensive budget, underperformed at the box office, leading into huge losses to the makers. The Tamil version saw her pairing opposite Rajni Kant. In 1992, she appeared in Bol Radha Bol alongside Rishi Kapoor, for which she received her third Filmfare nomination for Best Actress. Another pairing with Amir Khan in Daulat Ki Jang resulted in negative reviews. In 1993, Chawla appeared in four films. Her first release was the action romance film Lutera, directed by Dharmesh Darshan and starring Sunny Deol, Nasiruddin Shah, Chunki Pandey, and Anup Kheer. She played a young woman who receives witness protection through the service of a bodyguard played by Duel, with whom she eventually falls in love. This was the first movie in which she was cast in glamorous role. Later, she was cast in two movies produced by Yash Chopra. The first was the romantic drama Anna, which saw Chawla and Amrita Singh plays sister falling for the same man, played by Jackie Shroff. Her third film that year was Mahesh Bhatt romantic comedy हम हैं रही प्यार की, opposite Amir Khan, which was a success with both critics and audience. Her performance as a Tamilian runaway, which required her to master Tamil language and dialect, met with acclaim and established her as a comic actress. Writing for the Indian Express, Ode Tara Nair noted that she played her role to perfection. She won a Filmfare Award for Best Actress for her work. The last film she appeared in the year was a musical psychological thriller directed by Yash Chopra. The film was one of the highest grossing films of the year, making it Chawla's fourth consecutive box office hit of the year. That was also a major critical success, winning several awards, including the National Film Award for Best Popular Film, providing wholesome entertainment. She played Kiran, a young woman about to get married with her finance duel when she becomes the object of young man obsession. Subsequently, she played leading roles in several films, most notable as Saraswati in David Dhawan's Andaz 1994, Lakshmi in Surindra Kumar Bhora's Sajjan Ka Ghar 1994, Bela in Rajiv Mehra's Ram Jane 1995, Sandhya in Najais 1995, which marked one of her rare collaboration with Ajay Devgan and Kiran in David Dhawan and Bonnie Kapoor Loafer 1996, and all of them emerged as critical and commercial successes. She received critical acclaim for performance as a battered wife in Abbas Mustan's thriller Dar 1996, and she received a nomination of Filmfare Award for Best Actress for her performance in the film. The film was not a major commercial success, but Chawla's performance earned her positive reviews. She was also offered by Karishma Kapoor role in Dil To Pagal in 1997, but she turned it out. Chawla's career had hit its peak and she regained mainstream success in 1997 with the romantic comedies Yes Boss, Deewana Mastana and Ishq, all becoming box office hits. Ishq became one of the top earners of the year and earned critical praise for the performance of its four leads. In a romantic comedy, Yes Boss, she played a model who becomes the love interest of an ad agency owner and his ambitious employee, played by Aditya Pancholi and Shah Rukh Khan respectively. Yes Boss opened to favorable reviews and did well commercial, and Chawla received a 7th Filmfare nomination for her portrayal, which was described by Screen as spirited. 1998 retrospective review for the Times of India, Khushbu Taiwari called it a quintessential 19th rom-com and took note of Chawla chemistry with Khan. In the comedy Deewana Mastana, Chawla played Dr. Neha Sharma, love interest to both Kapoor and Govinda, and ends up marrying Salman Khan. The film was a commercial success. Her other release of the year was Mr. and Mrs. Khilani alongside Ashik Kumar. The film turned out to be an average grosser at the box office. Setback. In 1998, she appeared once again alongside Shah Rukh Khan in Duplicate. The film was produced by Yash Johar and directed by Mahesh Bhatt. Despite ranking as the 12th highest grosser of the year, the film underperformed at the box office upon its release. The same year, she appeared in Hari Shikesh Mukherjee's swan song Jhoot Bole Kavva Kaate alongside Anil Kapoor. The film was received well by critics for its reminiscence of Mukherjee films, with one critic calling it a classic comedy. The same year, she also appeared in Priya Darshan's rural drama Saath Rang Ke Sapne opposite Arvind Swamy. The film underperformed at the box office, but Khalid Muhammad wrote of her that she is only saving grace, lovely to look at, and an instinctive actress. She is likable as ever. The same year, she starred in the Malayalam detective comedy Hari Krishna's opposite Mohanlal and Mammootty. Hari Krishnan was a commercial success. In 1999, she appeared in Arjun Pandey opposite Sunny Deol. She played a woman who seeks revenge in the film and described her character as a role with negative shades. The film was the 13th highest grossing film of 1999 and emerged as a critical and commercial success. Chawla work as well received in this movie. The same year, she also starred opposite Sanjay Dutt in the adventure film Safari, a critical and commercial failure. She worked free of charge in the Punjabi language biographical from Shaheed Udham Singh based on the life of Udham Singh. Resurgence and professional expansion 2000 to 2009. In 2000, alongside Shah Rukh Khan and Aziz Mirza, she opened a production company called Dreams Unlimited. The romantic comedy Phir Bhi Dil Hai Hindustani was the company's first production starring Chawla and Khan. Upon release, the film underperformed at the box office. Through over the years, it has been appreciated for its bold theme on media wars. Chawla's performance as a journalist Riya Banerjee received appreciation from the critics. Rediff critic Swapna Mittal wrote, "This is probably one of the Juhi's best performances. She has never looked better, and once again, like Hum Hain Rahe Pyar Ke, she flows a flair for comedy." Her other release of the year was Rakesh Roshan's delayed Karobar, The Business of Love, which was in the making of over 5 years and failed upon release. She played a small role in Gang. In 2001, she appeared in the action comedy 1-2 Ka 4 with Shah Rukh Khan in their seventh collaboration, and with Jackie Shroff. The film was flopped at the box office. Chawla played 3 roles in a film: a Haryani maid, a bar dancer, and an undercover cop. While the film was noted for its serious content, her comedy performance won acclaim from several critics. Vinayak Chakravarti wrote, "But the winner here is Juhi. That vintage comic flair of Hum Hain Rahe Pyar Ke almost comes back from the dead." Similarly, Nigat Kazmi of the Times of India, "The only saving grace in the sea of confusion is Juhi as a fast-talking Haryani loudmouth who was the hearts for her Ricky Martin. Shah Rukh Khan, she is an absolute delight." The Hindu agreed with this observation, further noted her unfailing sense of humor and timing, which few can match. Another release of the year was the comedy of Amdani Athani, Kharcha Rupaiya, opposite Govinda. Around the same time, she signed a Kanda film, Adesha, in which she was to star opposite her pre-Molaka co-star V. Ravi Chandran. Having taken a 1-year break from film work, Chawla started appearing in independent and art films, and her work included critically acclaimed films Jankar Beats, Teen Devaraniya, both 2003, 7.5 Pere, and My Brother Nikhil, both 2005, and Bas Ikbal 2006. Jankar Peace, a musical comedy and a tribute to a music director, R.T. Burman, saw her play the wife of an aspiring musician. She won a Star Screen Award for Best Supporting Actress for Teen Devaraniya, which earned her positive reviews. Director Kuku Noor wrote the film with Chawla in mind, aspiring to change her image. Robert Khoiler of Variety wrote, Chawla gradually settles into a role that contains at least three different characters layers to it. Chawla said Three Devrania was a mouth-breaking film in the career and spoke of the revealing experience in making non-mainstream films which require a more realistic approach to acting and minimal use of makeup. She acted opposite Gurdas Mann in the Punjabi language feature Des Ho Gaya Pardes 2004, which was warmly received. She said that she chose the part because upon reading the script she identified a tremendous scope for her performance. The film won the National Film Award for Best Feature Film in Punjabi, set in Goa between 1986 and 1994. On airs, My Brother Nikhil centers on the character of Nikhil, a young man who is tested HIV positive. Chawla co-starred as Anemika Kapoor, a school teacher by profession, and Nichols' loving and supportive elder sister who accepts his same-gender partner and stands by his side through his struggle. The film opened to a welcome reception by critics, and Chawla's performance was particularly praised. Khalik Muhammad was highly approving of her portrayal. Above all, Juhi Chawla is perfect. Her effortless blend of conflicting emotion is what A-class acting is all about. Mrs. Chawla is a diamond in this gem of a movie. She starred alongside Irfan Khan in 7.5 Phere. Hindustan Times commanded her comic performance. In 2006, she appeared in the ensemble drama Salame Ishq, a tribute to love directed by Nikhil Advani. She collaborated with on air once again with the drama Bas Iqbal 2006 alongside Urmila Matondkar and Sanjay Suri. She played Ira Malhotra, a battered wife who refuses to leave her possessive husband for religious reasons. The film opened to a positive review. Subhash K. Jha wrote of Chawla that she uses her ability to portray hurt and guilt with the minimum efforts. The same year, she starred in another Punjabi film, the historical drama Waris Shah Ishq Da Waris, which won a National Film Award. According to the BBC, the film bears the hallmarks of a quality production. The film is based on the life of the Punjabi poet Waris Shah during the time she wrote the poem Heer. Chawla and Manoj Bajpayee played a married couple in Ganesh Acharya's drama Swami 2007, which follows their financial struggles to secure proper education for their intelligent son. Reviews of the film were varied. Tanveer Bokwala of Rediff appreciated the film for its simple story and for giving the lead pair the chance to the unconventional and subtitle, and they do not fail to deliver. Chawla then appeared in Ravi Chopra's Bhootnath with Amitabh Bachchan, in which she made her singing debut with the song Chalo Jaane Do. The film was moderate success and Chawla was appreciated for her role. Manish Gujar was from BBC wrote, Juhi Chawla, brilliant comic timing as Benku Mom has you in stitches. Another film called Crazy 4 with the Irfan Khan and Arshad Varsi was released in 2008. The film failed to do well at the box office. In 2004, she appeared in a comic cameo appearance in Luck by Chance to play a comic part of which she dyed her hair blonde. The film and Chawla performance got highly positive reviews and got a good opening at the box office. Intermittent acting role 2010 to present. Chawla starred in Honors critical acclaimed anthology film 2010 unfolded in several chapters. The film starred Chawla alongside with Manish Kohirla in an episode named I Am Mega. She played the title role of a Kashmiri Pandit who travels back to her hometown in Srinagar, having been driven out of it years ago. For her performance, Chawla was awarded in the Best Actress Award at the 13th London Asian Film Festival and Award for Excellence in Hindi Cinema at the Asian Vision Movie Awards. Her performance also earned her a nomination for the Filmfare Award for Best Supporting Actress. Rajiv Masant wrote, Juhi Chawla is a portrait of suppressed vulnerability as she confronts feelings about an old home and an old friend. Chawla next appeared in the action comedy Son of Sardar opposite Sanjay Dutt 2012, which was poorly received by critics. Liv Mint called it the worst portrayal of Punjabiyat in Hindi cinema, although it referred to her as a part the only unique role in the film, and further noted an actor with a proven talent for comedy. Chawla makes Pami her character pathetic as well as fistic. The film earned 169.98 crore worldwide. After a period of limited works in film, Chawla made a comeback in 2014 with Gulab Gang opposite her once arch-rival Madhuri Dixit. The film, in which Chawla and Dixit played ruthless political rivals, marked Chawla's role as an antagonist. Her portrayal of Sumitra Devi, a shrewd and a convening politician, was widely appreciated by critics. Shobra Gupta of the Financial Times described her character as a sort of the politician that men were played forever, hungry for power, will stop at nothing, not even murder and mayhem. She rules with an iron fist and sneer. Hindustani Times wrote, an effective hero needs a large than a life villain. In this case, it is Juhi Chawla, who marries her sister to be a rapist and apparently kill her husband to get political power. Like most corrupt politician who see on screen, she is an opportunist who lusts for power. It speaks well about her acting powerless that we come to hate the otherwise effervescent Juhi in this film. Anupma Chopra wrote her perverse wickedness is the best part of the film but called it one note character. Rajiv Masant called her terrific in the part and concluded a synthetic review of the film, asserting, if you must watch this film, watch it for Juhi Chawla's inspired performance. She received a second Filmfare nomination for Best Supporting Actress the same year. She also appeared with Helen Mirren and Om Puri in a guest role in the Steven Spielberg produced Hollywood film The 100-Foot Journey. In 2016, she starred in the woman-centric drama Chalk and Duster with the Shabana Azimi. The film received mixed reviews from the critics, and Chawla's performance was well received in a critical review for The Hindu. Namrata Joshi noted Azimi and Chawla, who, with their dignified presence and easy camaraderie, stop you from heading to the exit door. Rohit Watts of Hindustan Times liked the film for its well-told ethics versus greed story and mentioned Chawla's heartwarming presence. In 2017, she played an Indian defense minister in the Alt Balaji web series The Test Case. Chawla starred in the web series Hush Hush, which released on Amazon Prime Video in 2022. Off-screen work. In 1998, Chawla participated in a concert tour entitled Awesome Foursome alongside Shah Rukh Khan, Kajal and Akshay Kumar across the United Kingdom, Canada and the United States. In 2009, Chawla featured as a talent who judge for the third season of Sony Entertainment Television India dance reality show Jhalak Dikhla alongside Saroj Khan and Web Havi Merchant. In 2011, she hosted Colors Kids chat show Badmash Company एक शरारत होने को है. In 2008, Chawla, in partnership with Shah Rukh Khan and her husband Jay Mehta, acquired ownership rights for franchise representing Kolkata in the 2020 cricket tournament Indian Premier League for 75.09 million and named the team Kolkata Knight Riders. The team won in 2012 and repeated the feat in 2014. Delhi High Court imposed a 20 lakh fine on Chawla after it found a lawsuit filed by Chawla against the setting up of 5G wireless networks to be frivolous. The fine was reduced to 2 lakh. Personal life. Chawla married industrial Jay Mehta in 1995. The couple has 2 children. In an interview, Chawla revealed that her daughter Janvi wants to be writer instead of joining films. Her brother Bobby Chawla was the CEO of Red Chillies Entertainment. He suffered a massive stroke in 2010 after a dinner party. After being in coma for about 4 years, he died on 29th March 2014. Her sister Sonia died of cancer on 30th October 2012. Chawla is a vegetarian. Reception and media image. Chawla is considered in the media as one of the most popular actors of Bollywood. Indian Today named her in their top Bollywood actress list. Chawla appeared in box office India's top actress list from 1992 to 1997. She was also placed in Times of India 50 Beautiful Faces list. In 2024, Chawla became the richest actress in India with a net worth of 46 crore. In 2025, several websites reported her net worth to be 7 crore 790. As an actor throughout most of her early career, she was particularly recognized for comic timing and vivacious on-screen persona. Despite her success, Chawla was faced period of commercial decline. Asked about some of the commercial fluctuations in her career, Chawla attributed them to wrong choices following the birth of her daughter and amidst the poor box office performance of Chawla work in the early 2000s. Chawla took a short break from acting in 2001 and spoke of her intention to come back with more serial roles. Eventually, she felt her new choices had given her a new identity and constant interest. Several outlets noted her transition to serious cinema. Chawla said that with films like Three Devraniya and My Brother Nikhil, she received satisfaction as an actor. मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको आज की हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। मजीद वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना मत भूलें। दुआओं में हमें याद रखें। आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।